Hello, I have a relatively quick demo today. So right now you're looking at just the regular Omni instance on a test dashboard that I've made with split view, and I want to highlight some of the design issues that I'm about to demo that Jared and I wanted to fix. The first is that when you're in split view, you have this big header at the top, and it's basically just empty, so it's kind of dead space. So we want to do some work to fix that. And then we are also thinking about how to make this bar with the edit button more valuable, less dead space. Um, and to show that off, I'm going to demo what we currently have in design here to reclaim some of that space. And the first thing you'll notice is that the chat now goes all the way to the top of the screen. So there's no longer that kind of big empty bar at the top. And then you have like a pull tab in the middle to close whatever you're looking at. As well, you'll notice when you're in the full page chat, you no longer have a bar at the top, so your profile icon just hangs out here in the top right and kind of floats and follows you around based on what page you're on. So now I'm on the dashboard. It still stays in the top right. We also, instead of having that little preview header with just an edit button, we brought back the original dashboard header with a little bit of pared down information for now. So let's say you make a dashboard, you want to immediately share it. You can do that. If you want to go and edit, you can still go into edit mode just like you would before with the same full controls. But the hope here is that, yeah, we just reclaim some space and rethink about or kind of reimagine what it means to have a header in the app when chat can exist on every single page in the app as well. That's it.